Hey guys, this is the fourth part of my FPV Drone 3D modeling tutorial series. Last time that we left off, we were still working on the frame, so let's continue. Shift D to duplicate the very first part that we made. Shift H to isolate it. Select one face, Shift G, select coplanar to select all the flat faces. Ctrl I to invert the selection. Remove the faces. Turn off the subdivision surface modifier. Then delete the bevel. With the snapping button turned on, merge the unconnected vertices. Select these edges and bridge them to close the gap. Ctrl R to add a loop at the center. Then add two more loops on the left. Press F to bridge two faces. Then select the remaining border, grid fill, mirror to the other side. Press SY0 to flatten these vertices. Move these vertices like so. Remove these faces. Turn on the subdivision surface modifier before moving the vertices to get a nice curvature. Select these edges, right-click Loop Tools Space. Keep using the space function to relax the geometry a little bit. Select this vertex, Shift S cursor to selected, add a circle with 8 sides. Scale it downwards. I'm going to put it there because the reference picture is not perfectly showing the drone from above. Select these edges. Ctrl B to bevel them. Delete the faces. Ctrl R to add a vertex on each side. Snap the vertices onto the circle. Align the circle with the hole on the left and repeat the previous steps. J to connect the vertices. Press GG to slide the vertices along the edges. Mirror to the other side. Remove the bevel everywhere on the outer part. Merge the unconnected vertices thanks to the snapping button. Mirror to the other side. Add some thickness. Select the sharp edges. Deselect the edges at the center. Select these 4 edges because they need to be sharp. Ctrl B to bevel. Set the miter outer to arc and uncheck loop slide. Connect the vertices like so. Do it also at the bottom. Add 2 loops to get a more uniform density in this area. Then press GG to slide these edges at the center. Do it again with these vertices. And remove this edge at the center. Mirror to the other side. Select the first part that we made. And raise it like so. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to join the Discord server if you need some help on your projects. Thank you for watching. Bye.